So a lot of us know that OBS does not allow you to stream in more than one platform at a time. So here's what I mean. You can only stream on one platform like Facebook Live, Castro, anywhere you want to stream. You can only do that at a time. But here I'm gonna show you how you can stream or look at YouTube or even any other platform, Twitter, Twitch, at the same time. Just follow these steps. Now, you're gonna leave this on Facebook Live, the services, and then go to your browser and download this one plugin set for YouTube OBS, free download or EXE or wherever you are. They just search for OBS, sorry, RTMP OBS plugin. So let's click on the first link here and then click on here, go to downloads. On this page purpose, you scroll down and look for the one that is kind of the latest version and it's most compatible with your version. So just scroll down a little bit and keep going down. So you have it under the assets. You have this is for Mac OS and this is for Windows. This as if this is for Linux distribution. So I'm simply gonna go for Windows 62 bits x62-bit install. I'll click on download and just in a few seconds it has downloaded, and make sure you're downloading the exe file if you are using a Windows. Once you're done downloading this, just simply come and double click on it. I already have this installed. The steps are very, very simple, just like any other application. So I already have it installed. Now, once you are done installing this, you might not see it. Let me cancel this. You might not see it on your OBS once you open your OBS. So you have to close it if it was already running before you installed it. So close it and open it again. And yet again, you might not be able to see that. But to fix this, simply come to Docs and select Docs. You're going to see this option, multiple output. So you click on it. And then you have this. You can actually lock this to anywhere you want. I personally love keeping it here in some faces, but anyway, just give it anywhere you want. Is like this two things actually. Add new target, then start or stop all. We're gonna go through that. Then donation, it's actually a free software, but if you feel like you want to donate, you can go ahead and donate to me. They really gave us a free software. Now back to this. So to start up this, you have to set your first target, the initial one you want to set up. That will be going to your settings, and I want to do the main streaming on Facebook, then send a copy of the streaming to YouTube. You can also do the main streaming on YouTube and send a copy of it to Facebook and other places. But let me just go on with the Facebook one. So back to stream as before. So I'm gonna get my stream key. So this is the page I want to stream on. I'll click on go live video. And let me just create a test broadcast so that, of course, I don't just want to go live. And then make sure you're using software, still software. And then copy the stream key as one. Meanwhile, I'm going to change this to test and then again first. And that's okay. So back to OBS, go to stream, it's Facebook Live, of course, this default. And change the stream key. Okay, oh, that's correct. Okay, so okay. All right, but if I start streaming, if I actually click on stream, it will work. But let's go ahead and set up that of the YouTube. So here's the YouTube I'm using, and I'll click on create and click on go live. Now, while that loads, let's go ahead and set this up. Here, you're gonna see 3 days live. Add target, start all, and then stop all. So let's go ahead and add a target. This is where you actually click to set up for YouTube or any other streaming. So click on it and then rename the targets. So whatever you want, I'm gonna write it here too. So if it is Facebook, you call it Facebook or whatever. Now let's use for that of the YouTube. Make sure the protocol is the RTMP for YouTube. And then leave every other thing the way it is here on the URL. Let's go back to the YouTube and get our URL. So if you scroll down under the stream settings, which you see by default, you're gonna see 2 things here. Actually 3, but just 2. So you have your stream key, and then you have your stream URL. You have your backup server URL. So let's go with the stream URL. Copy it. Ask OBS under the URL, paste it there, and then for the stream key, we copy it, stream key, and then we'll come back here and we paste it. Now make sure that Down here, you share from under share with OBS. Your encoder should get it from OBS. Don't try to do this directly with whatever device you have, your drives or whatever you use. So no, it could slow down your system. So just use OBS so that your CPU will be doing double work. The same OBS and also your audio. This is for the audio section from OBS. Of course, unless you want to do some more complex things. And then every other thing should be okay this way. And just hit on okay. So that is it. Now, once I come back to Facebook, once I click on start streaming, and then let's wait for the Facebook to connect. So now it's connecting, and then let us wait for that of the Facebook to connect first. And then we can start streaming on YouTube as well. What should happen, okay, so here it's already connected the video, and I'll just click on start test. And then once this starts streaming, I come back to my OBS and then see this YouTube, but you click on start. So now I've clicked on start. This is the time it has started, and then I think we are live on the boat. So let's just go and confirm. Here on the YouTube, you don't need to click live for anything to start once the connections has been established, which takes I think a few seconds depending on how your PC is and how fast your network is.